Welcome to this demonstration of the Drawing List Manager. For this demonstration, I have created some drawing folders for my AutoCAD project. Plus, I have created an Excel drawing list that is empty for now. Now I have to create a project database for the use of Drawing List Manager. And we start by opening an AutoCAD drawing, and we can select this one in Building 1. Let's start by taking a look at the title block. This title block is a Danish style title block, and your title block may look quite different, but the principle is the same. The title block contains a number of attributes, as we will see here. We have the drawing name and the description, etc. And each attribute contains a tag and a prompt. And the most important attribute is the drawing number attribute, which is the key for the database. We close the title block again. There is no title block, no valid title block in this drawing yet, and this drawing is not in any database yet. So let's open the Drawing List Manager Administrator module and create a new database. We are asked to enter the attribute tag for the drawing number attribute, and for this demonstration we just accept the default drawing underscore number. Here we see the current drawing list that has for now only one column, namely the drawing number column. We open the Settings tab, where we can add more parameters. But first, we save this project. Always save in the root folder of the AutoCAD Drawings project, and always save with the name prj.dlmdb. Let's also add a drawing name parameter. First we add the attribute tag and the prompt. The name of the parameter will be drawing name. At this point we have two parameters in our project database, the drawing number and the drawing name. And we can see that the drawings data table is updated accordingly. We also want to add a title block name to this database. So we add just some title block in the title blocks table. But there is an easy way to add both parameters and title block name. Click this button, select the title block, and the data is imported. Let's delete the title block name that we won't use.